Good morning, my dear students. How you all are doing today? I hope you all are doing great and you all are safe and healthy at home. My name is Nandita ma'am and today I have brought a new story for you all. Are you all excited to hear a new story? Okay, so children, let us get inside the class and I will start reading a new story for you all. The Magic Tree. The name of the story is The Magic Tree. Children, are you all excited to read the story? Okay, so let us start reading it. Children, now let's start reading the story. A little boy was walking in a park. In the park, there was a big tree. See, children, a little boy is there in the park. And what else can you see in the park? A big tree. Correct? There is a big tree in the park. It had a sign on it. Yes, students, see, there is a sign on the tree. What is it written on the sign? It is written, I am a magic tree. Say the magic words. You will then see. Now this tree is a magic tree. And the magic tree is saying, say the magic words. And then I will show you the magic. Wow, children, let us see what are the magic words and what magic it is going to do. The boy tried to guess the magic words. What does he say? He says, Abracadabra, tantara. But nothing is happening. The boy is thinking, what can be the magic words? Let us find, students, what can be the magic words. The boy tried so many words, but none of them worked. He became tired, and also he was sad that none of his words could create magic. So at last he said, Please, dear tree. Then all of a sudden something happened. Do you all want to know what happened? Come on, let us check. Suddenly, a big door opened in the trunk. There was a bright sign on it. There was something written on the sign. What was it written? Carry on with your magic. Oh, the boy said something to the tree. Do you all remember, children? What did he say? He said, Please, dear tree. So it means please is a magic word. So whenever if we say please to someone, good things can happen with us. Correct, children? So remember, please is a magic word. Students, I think there are some more magic words. Do you all want to know what are they? Even I want to know. Come on, let us go and find them. The boy was happy. Why? Because when he said please to the tree opened up suddenly and there was a sign on it. Correct. The boy was very happy to see that the tree was opened. And he said, Thank you, dear tree. And the moment he said thank you to the tree, a magic happened again. Do you all want to know, students, what happened? Come on, let us go and find out. Wow! Look, children, what the boy got. Inside the tree was a path with lights. At the end of the path were lots of toys. See, children, at the end of the path, there are so many toys. And the boy is so happy to get the toys. Even you all students, even when your parents give you chocolates, toys, sweets, you all become very happy, correct, children? So in the same way, the boy is also very happy to get all these toys. So children, it means what? Please and thank you are magic words, because when the boy said please and thank you to the tree, all this magic happened. So please and thank you are the two magic words. Don't you agree, students? Yes, we all agree that these two are the magic words. Please and thank you. So children, in this story we have learnt about two magical words. Please, thank you. Correct children? These two magical words we have learnt in the story. Please and thank you. Come, let us have a look at some more magic words. Now ma'am is going to tell you some more words which can create magic. So children, do you all want to know what are those more magic words? Okay, come, let's go and find it out. Students, these are the other magic words. May I. When do we use may I? When we are asking for any permission. For example, in the class, if you want to go to the washroom, what do you say to your teacher? You say, "Ma'am, may I go to the washroom?" If you want to drink water, what you say? You say, "Ma'am, may I drink water?" If you want to come inside the class, what you say? "Ma'am, may I come in?" So, when you need to ask any permission, at that time you use may I. Okay? Next is excuse me. When do we use excuse me? When we want to get someone's attention. For example, in the class, if your teacher is talking to one of your friends and even you have a question to ask, what do you say? You say, "Excuse me ma'am, I have a question." Or you say, "Excuse me ma'am, can I say something?" So, at that point of time, you use excuse me. Last is sorry. Children, we all know when do we say sorry. Right? We say sorry when we do something wrong. We say sorry when we hurt someone. If by mistake you have hit your friend, what you say? You say, "I am sorry, my dear friend." Right? If unintentionally you have done something wrong, you did not mean to do that, but it happened. So what you say? "I am so sorry, I did not mean to hurt you." Correct children? So sorry is used when you do something wrong and you are feeling very bad. So at that time you say, "I am sorry." Okay? So students, these are the three other magic words which are very important for us to learn. Okay? So children, why should we use magic words? Magic words are simple words that we should use while speaking to others. It will reveal our good manners and leave everyone with a pleasant feeling. Pleasant feeling means good feeling. Whenever you are talking to someone, always be good with that person. Always talk politely. Do not be rude to anyone, students. Okay? And always try to use the magic words which we have learned in the story today. Okay? We should always be polite. We should always be obedient with others. We should never speak rudely. Okay? I hope children that this you will follow every day. So now onwards, try to use these magic words and see the magic happening. Okay, whatever magic words we have learned today, students, try to use those magic words in your daily life and see that the magic will definitely happen. Okay, all the best, students. Thank you so much, students, for listening to the story. I hope you all enjoyed. We will all meet in the next video with a new story. Till then, you all stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye and have a good day ahead.